Improving indoor air quality is essential for creating a healthier and more comfortable home. At Tempo Air, we specialize in installing high-quality products from Lennox, Aprilaire, and Air Scrubber by Aerus to ensure your HVAC system operates efficiently and effectively. Lennox offers advanced air purification systems, such as the Pure Air trademark, which enhances indoor air quality more effectively than many other systems available. Aprilaire provides comprehensive whole-house solutions that include air purifiers, humidifiers, dehumidifiers, and ventilation systems. All of these are designed to integrate seamlessly with your existing HVAC setup. Air Scrubber by Aerus connects directly to your HVAC system's ductwork and utilizes patented Active Pure technology to reduce airborne and surface contaminants, promoting a cleaner living environment. Choosing the right indoor air quality product is crucial. Our team at Tempo Air is dedicated to guiding you through the options to find the best fit for your home, ensuring enhanced air quality, system efficiency, and an extended lifespan for your equipment. Investing in quality air purification not only enhances your home's comfort, but also contributes to the longevity and efficiency of your HVAC system.